The Benchmade Bailout is a lightweight, tactical folding knife designed for those who demand reliability without excess weight. Featuring a 3.38-inch Tonta blade crafted from CPMM for high-speed steel with a hardness of 622/6 for HRC, it offers exceptional edge retention and toughness. The blade's slim profile, with a thickness of just 0.09 inches, allows for precise cutting tasks, while the reinforced tip enhances durability. The handle is constructed from 6061T6 anodized aluminum, providing both strength and a comfortable grip. The knife incorporates Benchmade's renowned axis lock mechanism, ensuring smooth and secure operation. Additionally, the aluminum pommel features a lanyard slot and a carbide glass breaker, enhancing its utility in emergency situations. Ideal for everyday carry and tactical applications, the Benchmade Bailout combines high-quality materials with thoughtful design to deliver a dependable cutting tool in a sleek, ultralight package. The SOG Pentagon F is a premium out-the-front automatic knife engineered for tactical professionals and enthusiasts seeking reliability and swift deployment. It features a 3.79-inch double-edged spearpoint blade, crafted from Cryo CPMS3 5V stainless steel, renowned for its exceptional toughness and edge retention. The blade is finished with a black titanium night ride coating, enhancing its durability and providing a sleek, non-reflective surface. The handle is constructed from hard anodized 6061T6 aluminum, offering both strength and a comfortable grip. A standout feature of this knife is SOG's dynamic locking system, which ensures rapid blade deployment and secure lockup, minimizing blade play. The oversized slide button facilitates ambidextrous operation, allowing for quick and reliable access even under stress. Designed with input from military and law enforcement professionals, the SOG Pentagon F delivers a robust and dependable tool suitable for high-stakes situations where performance is paramount. The OffGrid Knives Mamba V3 is a robust and precision-engineered folding knife designed for both everyday carry and demanding tasks. It features a 4-inch clip point blade, crafted from CPM Magnikit steel, renowned for its exceptional edge retention, toughness, and corrosion resistance. The blade is finished with a rugged black wash coating, enhancing durability and providing a sleek, stealthy appearance. The handle is constructed from titanium, offering a secure and comfortable grip. Equipped with caged ceramic ball bearings, the Mamba V3 ensures exceptionally smooth and fast blade deployment via flipper tab, complemented by jimping for enhanced control. The knife also features a titanium deep carry pocket clip with countersunk screws, allowing for discreet and secure carry. Designed with input from OffGrid customers, the Mamba V3 incorporates thoughtful enhancements, making it a reliable companion for both tactical situations and everyday use. The Zero Tolerance 0350 is a compact beast built for heavy-duty performance and serious reliability. Featuring a 3.5-inch S3OV stainless steel blade with a durable black coating, it offers excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and a slightly recurved edge for enhanced slicing power. This knife opens fast and smooth thanks to the SpeedSafe assisted opening mechanism, activated via a flipper or thumb studs. Its textured G10 handle scales ensure a rock-solid grip even in wet or gloved conditions, while the sturdy liner lock keeps the blade securely in place during tough tasks. The 0350 is built like a tank, but still manageable for everyday carry, weighing around 6.2 ounces and boasting an overall open length of 7.6 inches. With a 4-position pocket clip for versatile carry options, the ZT0350 is a no-nonsense folding knife made for users who demand reliability, strength, and tactical performance in a compact package. The cold steel Engage is a robust folding knife designed for durability and versatility. It features a 3.5-inch clip point blade made from S35VN stainless steel, known for its excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance. The blade's design offers a sharp point for precise tasks and a curved edge for efficient slicing. The handle is constructed from black G10, providing a secure and comfortable grip. With a closed length of approximately 4.7 inches and an overall length of 8.2 inches when open, the Engage weighs around 6.6 ounces, offering a substantial feel without being cumbersome. Equipped with Cold Steel's innovative Atlas lock system, the Engage ensures secure blade lockup and smooth operation. Ideal for everyday carry and outdoor tasks, the Cold Steel Engage combines high-quality materials with thoughtful design, making it a reliable tool for various applications. The Gerber LST Ultra is the definition of lightweight functionality. Designed for everyday carry and simplicity, this folding knife weighs in at just 1.4 ounces. So light, you'll barely notice it in your pocket. Its 2.7-inch drop-point blade is made from 420HC stainless steel, offering solid edge retention and easy sharpening, making it ideal for everyday tasks and light-duty survival use. The glass-filled nylon handle is not only featherweight, but also tough, textured for a firm grip, and ergonomically shaped for comfort during extended use. A lock-back mechanism adds safety by securely locking the blade when in use. The LST Ultra also comes with a removable and reversible pocket clip, making it friendly for both left and right-handed users. Proudly made in the USA, this knife is a no-frills, dependable tool for minimalists, backpackers, or anyone looking for a reliable blade that won't weigh them down. The Spyderco Paramilitary 2 is a legendary folding knife known for its premium build quality and outstanding performance. Featuring a 3.44-inch CPMS for 5VN blade, it offers exceptional edge retention and corrosion resistance, making it perfect for survival and self-defense. The full flat grind ensures effortless slicing, while the iconic spider hole allows for quick, one-handed deployment. Its G10 handle provides a secure and comfortable grip, even in extreme conditions. The compression lock ensures rock-solid blade stability while allowing for smooth, easy closing with one hand. Weighing just 3.9 ounces, it's lightweight yet durable enough for heavy-duty use. With its razor-sharp blade, ergonomic design, and tactical reliability, the Spyderco Paramilitary remains a top choice for professionals and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Whether for EDC, survival, or self-defense, this knife is built to handle any challenge. The Kersh Emerson CQC6K is a rugged folding knife that combines Emerson's tactical design with Kersh's precision manufacturing. This 3.5-inch blade is crafted from HCR1 for MOV stainless steel, offering a solid balance of sharpness, durability, and corrosion resistance. The stone-washed and satin finish enhances the blade's toughness while giving it a sleek, tactical look. One of its standout features is the Emerson Wave Opener, allowing for lightning-fast deployment straight from the pocket. This knife also includes a thumb disc for manual opening, ensuring versatility in any situation. The handle combines G10 on the front for grip and stainless steel on the back with a frame lock, ensuring a secure hold and solid lockup. Whether for self-defense, everyday carry, or tactical use, the Kersh Emerson CQC6K delivers battle-proven design and reliable performance, making it a must-have for knife enthusiasts and survivalists alike. When it comes to battle-tested reliability, the CRKT M16 stands tall. Designed for tactical professionals and everyday warriors, this folding knife boasts a 3.875-inch black serrated Tonta blade, crafted from Aus-8 steel for a razor-sharp edge and solid durability. The flipper opener ensures quick, effortless deployment, while the liner lock with LAWKS safety provides extra security, transforming it into a virtual fixed blade when engaged. The black aluminum handle is both lightweight and rugged, featuring steel liners for added strength without unnecessary bulk. At 9.5 inches overall, this knife balances power and precision with a reversible tip-up carry clip for ambidextrous convenience. Whether you're in the field, on duty, or gearing up for adventure, the CRKT M16 is built to perform under pressure. With its proven design and unwavering dependability, this knife isn't just a tool, it's a trusted companion for those who demand the best. The Civy Praxis is a tactical folding knife built for reliability and performance. With a 0.12-inch thin, sharp point blade, it's perfect for piercing and precision tasks, ensuring you're always ready for any cutting challenge. Whether you're working or out in the field, this knife offers smooth and decisive action for quick deployment. The lightweight Quiborsha wood handle provides superior ergonomics, ensuring a comfortable and secure grip with every use. Featuring ball bearings in the pivot, the Praxis opens effortlessly, combining ease of use with precision. Designed for everyday carry, the reversible deep carry pocket clip lets you carry the Praxis discreetly, making it ideal for both work and collection. At just 3.99 ounces, it's a solid yet unobtrusive companion for any task. If you're looking for a high-performance folder with style and strength, the Civy Praxis is ready for the challenge.